Hey guys, welcome to GadgetsLife. So I have just received the new 10.3.4 update for my Oneplus 7 Pro. So I thought of making a video for you guys and just show what this new update actually brings about to this phone. So as you can see, I have just got the new update, which is Oxygen OS 10.3.4. So you can see the size of the update is 273 MB, and this update brings these tons of new features. You can see, newly adapted OnePlus buds, easier to take advantage of wireless connection. You have new clock styles, a lot of clock styles, and it is new Android security patch. You get the new chromatic effect in the reading mode. You get the new Bluetooth functionality. You get the new network functionality and all of the stuff for the different SIM carriers, etc. So I just started my update now. So you can see this phone is downloading the update, and after that it will install the update, and after that I will show you exactly the things which have changed in the phone. So basically I can't just show you all the things. I can show you the reading mode and the clock styles, which you can see in the later part of this video. So it is just downloaded and it's installing. So after installing, I will be telling you the new features which this update brings to the phone. So keep watching.